Special greetings, my dear students. Students, for you, only up to 7 chapter semester is there. In the semester 5, 6, 7, this 3 chapter, if you see only full and full practical, how you will create a folder, how you will delete a folder, how you will restore, how you will rename a file. So these all things are very easier, means already you are knowing. So this 5, 6, 7, this 3 chapter full and full practical. If I use a laptop while teaching, I think so it will not take more than 3 class session. But I will try to make it more explained. So I will try to make it more slow, because whatever we have to cover this all. Okay. Students, here in our 4th chapter we learned, we completed that software. In this class I will explain about the software. Students, software means what? Say, before learning software, basic things we have to know. You are 9th class, so you should know. So set of instruction. Set of instruction is called program. Set of program is called software. And there are several another for the operating system. Set of software. Actually, in this place, set of software is not a proper, but some books they are given like that. Okay, means some place for understanding purpose they are given, but it is not accurately matching. 100% match, 100% match. Set of program software 100% match, but set of software is operating system. It is not. Maybe 90% match. Okay, but this is a basic concept. Now in our 4th chapter we are going to learn about software. In the software there are, from primary onwards you are learning, there are 2 types of software. What is that? One is a system and another one is a application. So in this 2, system is very important, because the system software, with the help of this only we can able to control the system. Whenever you are buying a tablet or computer or any PC, or whenever you are seeing any new device, few softwares will be there already it is installed, and you are not you cannot able to uninstall because you are not having a right. Okay, so such type of software will come under system software. In system software there are so many categories. First one will come in a operating system. Second, language processor. Third, utility. Okay, so OS, language processor, utility, and any other device drive. Okay, device drive. And application software, there are 3 types. One is a general, and second is a custom, and another one is a specific. Okay, students, only these are the things you have to know in software. 2 types, and these are not that much difficult, very simple thing. I am going to explain only short way, in a short form, because already we completed this chapter. See here, system software, OS, operating system. What are the operating systems you know? Latest Windows 10. Students, you know about only Microsoft operating system. There are many operating systems are there. Fedora, Linux, Unix, Ubuntu. So many types of operating systems are there, but Windows 10 is Windows. Microsoft company is famous because worldwide everyone is using, and it is very easier comparing to other operating system, and it is the fastest, means so much of shortcut keys are available, and it is user friendly. Regularly they are updating. Due to that particular reason, a Microsoft company is famous, and there are so many category in MS Office also. Sorry, Microsoft company also. Office 2007, sorry, Windows 7, Windows XP, Windows 8, Windows 8.1. So many versions are there. Language processor. Already you know, computer understand only machine language. Computer understand only a machine language, and whatever we are communicating, it is a human language. So computer, what it will do, this language processor will convert human language into machine language, and what the computer answer is giving, that answer value computer will convert into human format and it will give to us. That is the main work of this language processor. So in our this chapter, what we learn? We learn assembly, assembler we learn, after interpreter after compiler, and a machine. These are the things we learn. After utilities. Students, utilities means it is used to run system smoothly. With help of this utility software only, computer is running smoothly without any problem. And there are many utilities we learned. Correct a backup, restore, after encrypt, decrypt. So many utilities are there. Once if you do the practical, you will get very easily. After drive. Students, what is this drive? This drive is very important because you are inserting PD or a mouse or anything. Whenever you are inserting, real thing is what? You don't know, but in that particular computer system, drives are there. If this drive is not there, hardware component will not work. Any hardware component, it will not work. So it is already inbuilt. For example, whenever you are buying some modem on some particular router, first time when installing, they are giving inbuilt setup in router. When installing, when you are connected to your computer, automatically driver will install in your system. Why? Because that driver software is not in your system, and if it is not in a system, it will not work. So before using the router or modem or anything, you should install the drive. Okay, so these are the utilities. Sorry, these are the drives. So this all will come in a system software. Okay, at last now, application software. Students, this application software is your assignment. Okay, assignment, and it is a homework also. See here, application software. Why we are using software? To perform some particular task. What are the tasks? That particular task we are dividing into 3 types. This application not in your computer. It is not in your computer. You have to download and you have to install. Okay. So regarding this application software, we will see in the next class some more deeply. Okay. Thanks for watching, my dear students.